So now you're ready to open up pumpkin number 1. On pumpkin number 1, the goal is to make it the complement of red. The complement of red is green. So those are the two colors you have to work with, red and green. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose to make our pumpkin red. So I'm going to click all of my whites, and I'm going to change all of the colors to be a light red. Same thing with my stroke. I can do this one by one if I so chose, or here is your cheat. You click one, you hold the shift key down with your fingers, that's on your keyboard, and you click every single white that you see. And the beautiful part about clicking every single one while you're holding the shift key down is now you can click all of them to be filled with red, that light red, and to be the stroke to be changed to that light red. Let go of your shift key, move on to your next shade. So I'm clicking my next shade, holding my shift key, clicking every single shade number 2. What is happening is it is highlighting every single one. Moving lower, changing my stroke, being done. Doing it again. Now I'm going for my third shade, holding my shift key, every single one. Alright, going down to my next color. Same thing with my stroke. Now, there seems to be where I forgot to do 2, maybe 3 of the next shade. So I gotta fix that. How am I going to do that? I'm going to click off my mouse, click my first one, hold my shift key, click my second and my third. Now the 3 that I didn't have before are now selected. I will click my third color of red. Not everything is going how I want it to be. Alright, now I'm going to click my background. Since I know it's broken up into 2 sections, I'm going to hold my shift key down and select both of them. And do a darker shade. I'm going to change the color of my stem because I do not want it to be blue. I want it to be the complement of red. And the complement of red, let me start with my whites. The complement of red is green. So again, I'm going to choose a light green stroke and a light green fill. Uh-oh, a couple spots I didn't grab, so I have to do it again. Hold my shift key. And do it again. There I am noticing that I am not seeing everything, so I will be using my zoom so I can see better. Going back to my select tool, selecting on my lighter areas, selecting multiple by holding that shift key, changing my fill and my stroke. Moving on to my middle tones. And concluding with my final. Noticing I'm missing a few spots. Fixing it. Now we're good. Let me make it zoom back out. Okay, kind of looks like a tomato. That's all right. Okay, all I want to do now is I'm going to change my background to be a final shade of that complementary color. Same thing with the stroke. Boom! That one's done.